G'day everyone. Well, what you see here is my first ever crack at the ZVS Flyback driver. It's very crude at the moment. As you can see, there's wires everywhere. I'm going to be making a proper PCB and case for it. But at the moment I just want to get used to running it and handling high voltage. But it's got two IRFP 250 MOSFETs. I believe these are for converting the current to square wave, which is what these transformers run on. But being in a television or computer monitor, that would convert it to square wave anyway. But yeah, I'll set the camera up in a nice little position and we'll give it a little bit of a run. I've got a nice chicken stick made up for it. But since I'm new to the whole thing, I'm not going to be pushing it too hard. This is a 12 volt downlight transformer. It's an old heavy iron core type with a bridge rectifier, full wave. And yeah, you'll just see the arc jump across to my chicken stick. It won't be as big as that. I'll have to push it a bit further, but hopefully the camera will be able to pick it up. I'll be holding the camera over there so it's dark enough for you to be able to see the arc. Let's strike an arc. Yeah, it's actually arcing through the fuse cap. Yeah, it's a beautiful colour though. It's like a pinky tan, furry sort of outside with the actual arc going through the centre. Yeah, compared to Photon's massive 120 kV transformer or whatever it was. Pretty puny, but still though, it's not too bad for my first ever attempt at this. I can feel the heat waves coming off it though, must be very hot. Oop. So I'll just set the insulator on fire. It's not too bad. I will step the power supply up, make it a bit more powerful. But it's actually working really well considering it's my first ever time doing this. Transformer's a little bit warm. I will need to put a fan on it. I want to put fans on the MOSFETs just so that they don't overheat, even though they're lukewarm, not even that. But yeah, the transformer's my main concern. I do want to get either a heatsink or probably just put a blower fan, point it straight at it and just cool it down. But yeah, I did put an alligator clip on the end of the chicken stick so I can connect it to the alter cap. So if I do end up blowing a transformer up, I can just quickly hot swap it, sort of thing. So I can just take that off and connect a new transformer on it whenever I want, if I do damage any of them. I also made this up as well. It's an old, it's my first attempt at a ashtray for the incinerator stand, but I just soldered a HV lead to it so I can connect it to the transformer. And if I want to destroy something like a light bulb or an industrial fuse, for instance, I can just sit it on it like that and then just probe it with the chicken stick and just see what kind of arcs I can get and either melt the glass on the globes or whatever, burn out the wire and the fuse. But it'll be good fun. I've just got to slowly step the power supply up and just see how much it can take. I'm going to I've got 24 volt versions of this which I can try it on. They do take bridge rectifiers without overheating or burning out, so yeah, I hope you enjoyed all that. My first ever ZVS. Stay tuned for tons more videos on this. Thanks for watching.